We've all been there, trapped in virtual meetings that feel like they last forever. But what if your virtual meetings could be not only productive but actually fun? Today, we're going to show you how to keep your team engaged and energized in every meeting. Set clear objectives and agenda. Let's start with the essentials. Every great meeting needs a clear purpose. Without clear objectives, virtual meetings can feel scattered and unproductive. So before you hit start meeting, ask yourself, what's the goal here? Are you brainstorming ideas, making decisions, or just sharing updates? Once that's clear, share a simple agenda with your team. A well-structured meeting helps everyone stay on track and reduces distractions. It's like giving your team a map. They know exactly what to expect and where the conversation is heading. Break the ice with fun and interaction. Virtual meetings don't have to be stiff and formal. Start your meeting with a fun icebreaker to loosen everyone up. Whether it's a quick poll, a funny question, or a light round of trivia, these moments help build rapport and make people feel more comfortable. Remember, engagement is the name of the game. Don't let your team sit silently, get them talking right away. Break the ice with something fun to get everyone talking early. It turns a routine meeting into a collaborative conversation. Keep meetings short and interactive. Here's the truth. Virtual meetings that last too long lose people. Aim for 30 to 45 minutes max. Keeping things short and focused is crucial to maintaining energy and attention. To make the meeting more engaging, make sure it's interactive. Instead of lecturing the team, get them involved. Use polls, quick surveys, or even break the team into small groups for short discussions. This encourages everyone to participate and keeps the energy up throughout the meeting. Use visuals and tools to keep attention. Let's be real. Staring at a screen full of text can put anyone to sleep. Visuals are your best friend when running virtual meetings. Use vibrant slides, quick animations, or video clips to keep things interesting. Research shows that people process visuals much faster than words, so your message will not only be clearer but more memorable. Plus, mixing up the format gives everyone a break from looking at talking heads. Whether it's a graph, infographic, or a quick video, visuals help break up the monotony and keep your team's attention. Wrap up with actionable takeaways. A productive meeting doesn't end when the conversation stops. It ends when everyone knows what to do next. The last thing you want is for people to leave the meeting wondering, what was the point of that? Always wrap up by summarizing key takeaways and assigning action items. Make sure each team member knows exactly what their next steps are and when things are due. This ensures that your meeting doesn't just lead to more meetings, but to real progress. By setting clear objectives, breaking the ice with fun, keeping it interactive, using visuals, and wrapping up with actionable steps, you'll transform your virtual meetings into engaging, productive sessions. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more leadership insights.